Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 MMC.exe blocked. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click System. Open EnableLUA. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.